How to do a Zoom meeting on iPhone or Android. So first thing you want to do is to download the Zoom Cloud Meetings app where you can find in Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Then simply open the app and tap sign in or sign up to create a free account and you'll see this option at the left corner. Then you just simply enter your date of birth, email address, and name. And you can now tap the circle next to agree to the terms of service. And then you can now sign up. So after that, simply just go proceed to the app itself. Then you want to activate your account. So you will be redirected to your Zoom's website, enter your name and create a new password. And finally tap continue. So you may then invite colleagues if you wish, but you also have the option to skip this step. And once you create your Zoom account, you're gonna go back to the app and set up a meeting. And here's how to do it. First, go to your app and then enter your email address and password and type and sign in. Then there's a button called the new meeting icon. This is the video camera icon with an orange background and then simply just tap the meeting button. Then you'll be taken to the video reference room and then you can now wait for the people to join that you invited. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.